April 29, 2025. I've got a lot to show and explain and talk about. I'm going to try to limit it to 3 minutes to get more people to watch. I added 2 drawings I did in one in December 1974. The other one sometime between September and December, which were in my Fundamentals of Art workbook for a class, my first semester at Southern Illinois University, Carbondale. I forget who the professor was. I have to see if I can find his name. Here's a couple of other drawings, 4 other drawings from the workbook. There's more in there. Kay was a friend in Champaign-Urbana, African Mask, December 74. Drawing after Louise Nevelson's Young Tree 6, December 74. After Ernest Barlach, Crippled Beggar, Vitrified Clay, 1930. So the 2 I added up here, Sightseeing with Dignity, Human Rights Art Series 60, Injection after George Grosz, notes, in 3 days you'll be fit for field duty. And I drew frequently with a rapidograph pen, like a technical drawing pen. This one based on an etching by Francisco Goya from the etching series The Disasters of War, titled Why, in Spanish, Por qué. And this was on the page that the 2 drawings are on. Form analysis works from 2 cultures. We certainly have 2 cultures at work historically with Libya's Gaddafi and America's Trump, who praised Gaddafi in 2015, which was after Gaddafi had taken credit for the Pan Am 103 terrorist bombing. Whoosh, so many people perished. I've also collaged on pieces from my first, from a hard copy, my first airline flight to Europe, to London from New York. JFK, London, Warsaw, London, JFK, and then back to Seattle. 1984. Passenger plane there. Advice to international passengers. Okay, so this section I have yet to do. I could do metaphoric wings or more allegorical sea monsters. Okay, to be continued. How are we doing, Budgies? My favorite art critic over there, Dr. Chi. The white parakeet and the blue one, that's Prime Minister Mazel. Okay, there we have it, to be continued. Coming along.